friends, today we are going to see how to make a creamy fruit sandwich which is refreshing and loaded with fresh fruits. The ingredients needed are 4 slices of soft bread, half cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of honey and some fresh fruits. Here I have peeled the outer skin of the orange and cut the strawberry and kiwi lengthwise. You can also choose bananas and mangoes. Any fruits that are soft and less watery will be apt for the sandwich. I'm going to pour the heavy cream into the mixing bowl and add the honey to it. Now I'm going to whip the cream with an electric mixer for about 2 minutes until it gets stiff. If the cream is under whipped, it will be more difficult to slice the sandwiches. The hard peaks are formed and it's ready. Let's go ahead and spread the whipped cream on the white bread. Spread the cream evenly on one side of the bread. Let's start arranging the fruit pieces in a horizontal row on the whipped cream. Place the other slice of the bread on top of this. Wrap the sandwich in plastic sheet or aluminum foil and refrigerate for an hour. It's been 1 hour. I'm going to take the sandwich out from the foil. Let's trim the edges. Cut them lengthwise. And this is how they are going to look. It is so simple, it's so fancy. These are fun to make and surprise your kids with these sandwiches, and I'll catch you all in my next video with another healthy kids recipe.